Okay guys, we are going to begin our unit on elapsed time. As you can see, I have presented for you a little bit of a review right here where we've got the what increments of time equal. So you know that from last year that 60 seconds is equal to a minute. You know that 60 minutes is an hour. And you know that there are 24 hours in a day. You also remember that AM is in the morning time. It runs from 12 midnight to 11:59 in the afternoon. You know that PM is in the afternoon or evenings, and that runs from 12 noon until 11:59 at night. What we're going to be looking at is something called elapsed time. Elapsed time basically is how much time has passed or how much time will pass. Okay, elapsed meaning it has happened in the past or how much time will elapse. For example, your mom went to the grocery store at 4. She returned home at 6. How long was she gone? Let's think about it. She left at 4. If we think it through, 4, 5, 6, she was gone for, what do you think? 2 hours. So that is the amount of time she was gone. All right, let's take a look at this clock. This clock is going to help us kind of see a little bit about how elapsed time moves on an analog clock. You'll remember that the clock that looks like this is analog. The clock that looks like this is digital, okay? This clock is set to 1 o'clock a.m., okay? I'm going to start the clock and we're going to watch. And you're going to watch the second hand move around. And as that hand moves, you will see the elapsed time. So watch. See, as the analog clock continues to go up, you see the red second hand as it goes around the clock. Time is elapsing as the second hand moves, okay? Eventually, when this gets up to 59 and then 60, you'll see that it turns to 101, okay? Let's take another look. Let's say that the time is 3 o'clock. You see that the long hand, which is of course the minute hand, you remember that, and the short hand, which is the hour hand, is on the 3. Again, down here it says 3 o'clock. If we start the clock, time will begin to elapse. As the second hand moves around the clock, when it gets back to the 12, you'll see the minute hand move on its own, and that will have elapsed for 1 minute. I want you to just watch for a second and watch it happen. You'll also remember that between each number is 5 minutes. So between the 6 and the 7 is 5 seconds that have elapsed. Another 5 seconds. Another 5 seconds. Same would happen as the minute hand goes around. 5 intervals between each number. All right, we're getting there. 58, 59, 60. And look, the minute hand moved. It moved to the right of the 12, meaning that 1 minute has elapsed. We are going to be looking at how to show elapsed time on a number line and on clocks for the next week, and soon you guys will be experts on how elapsed time works. Okay? Don't forget to do your quiz.